How to know if someone restricted you on Instagram. So, if you want to know if someone has restricted you on Instagram or not, then first what you need to do is you need to simply open up your Instagram application. Once you've opened your Instagram, now, for example, if I think this person has restricted me. So if I want to know that if this person has restricted me or not, then what you need to do is you need to simply go for their post and you need to tap on the comments and then you need to comment something. And once you've commented on that person's profile or post, now tell your friend to visit the comment. So if your friend finds the comment, then it means they have not restricted you on Instagram. But if your friend doesn't find your comment on their post, then that means you have been restricted. So that's one way. And the other way is you can simply go and see their activity status. So if you have not turned off your activity status, then you will be able to see the other person's activity status, right? So you can simply go for the messages and then you can see the activity status. And if you have a green colored dot under their profile or under their profile circle, then it means they have not restricted you. But if you don't see the activity status, then that means the person has restricted. So restricted doesn't mean that they have blocked you or anything, but it just means that they have limited the activity of your post or stories on their account. So that's how you can know if someone restricted you on Instagram. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.